don't know if this is working or not. Just want to share a bit of my analysis on SPX500. So I've posted this analysis on the group chat the day before yesterday. Yeah, I think it was the projection for this week. I sent it on the group chat and this week, last weekend actually. So I predicted this move, this move from this zone down to this zone. Actually, I was expecting like a minor sign of weakness, I mean, and then a retracement to the upside. I mean, a retracement to the upside before price tanks, but it didn't happen that way. So, anyways, what is important is we have what we're looking for, and that is a decline. So there is this chart, and I've overlaid my main chart with E-mini futures. So this is what year is this? This is 2021 analog. So I've been comparing this chart for like 2 weeks now, and you would see the consolidation and distribution that happened here leading to this decline. Sorry for my voice. Leading to this decline, and then it was climatic, so we would expect a trading range, yeah, and that's what we have here. So the trading range from 2021 led us to the previous selling zone, and price kind of tanked back into the trading range as a mean reversion trade before we rallied back into the main trend, and then there we go with SPX crash. So I'm kind of expecting same thing, all things being equal. I'm expecting same thing with where we are now currently. So I'm just gonna zoom this in, and where is it? So I'm expecting a form of distribution at this selling zone. So there's this bar yesterday, because I wasn't expecting this bar to commit below this level. I took a trade for that, but I lost it anyways because the volatility. So I was expecting price not to come to this level, but that actually happened, right? There was this urge to sell at this zone, and then the moment price reached the low of this bar, you would say the absorption of the selling from that bar, meaning price would not really come back here until, I don't know, not anytime soon, because the absorption was pretty strong and we were able to close even above the upper boundary of the trading range. So what I would expect from here is I'm expecting us. I have a trade opened actually from here. I'm expecting us to take the high of the decline, and then excitement, I mean, into the selling zone, and depends on what happens on the trend in the selling zone. You can see there is I've pulled up this fixed. In case you're seeing this on my chart, I'm gonna explain, because on the events on the group chats, there is we're gonna discuss volume and spread analysis and the use of spread count and things like that. So I'm gonna also explain this volume profile and how to use it. So But just ignore that for now and just follow me. So uh there is a urge to buy and sell at this zone. Obviously there's supply. I mean the sellers won, and then there is this decline. So and you will see the increase in volume at that zone actually. So there is some sort of supply zone here. So I've marked that as our selling zone, and I'm expecting price to distribute to that level. And judging on the reaction from that level, if it causes a change of character to the downside, so just like I've drawn on the chart, then we should be able to open a trade. But then, with the demand coming in at this zone, um, I doubt price is going to come to this level. That is number one. That is the first speculation for me. And the second speculation is the spread of the bars of the selling bars is actually really wide compared to the buying that is going on, and compared to the 2021 analog. So if you check the 2021 analog, you would see that if you compare spread to spread, the spread we have currently is relatively bigger and wider than the spread in 2021, and the buying in 2021 after secondary test and this trading range, it's kind of stronger than the buying we have after the secondary test. So what is the decline going to look like? One thing for sure is I'm expecting a decline. So are we going to decline to a major sign of weakness, or are we going to decline to test this level here? So either ways, I would my first take profit would be on this level where we bought yesterday, and then second take profit will be on this level. And if price declines further up to the lower boundary of the trading range, I'm gonna look for some tests and a rally that is very weak. If the rally is strong, we might continue downside, but if it's weak, then we might have a test on low supply and then go back up before the major move to the downside.